इंग्रज कथा आहे
जेनिफर म्हणजे आमचे कलीग आहे. जेनिफर इज अ स्ट्रॉंग वुमन who had strong views and sometimes even views that went against her government. She maintained good relations across the aisle. म्हणजे आम्ही ताजे पक्षान नासतना आमचे बरोबर ताजे संबंध बरे आशिल्ले आनी कंटेन्शियस इश्यूज चड करून बारीक लोकां खातीर चड करून पातकार जे शिरगांवचे रापणकार हांचे इश्यूज घेवपाक आपूण ट्राय करी आनी ते अर्दे कितें उरताले तेन्ना तूं म्हाजे ते फुडें घेया म्हणून सांगपी म्हाका मनीस शी हॅड स्ट्रॉंग लायक्स एंड स्ट्रॉंग डिसलायक्स समटायम्स इवन टू द एक्सटेंट दॅट सगळें बाबुशाक जाय तें आयकनाशिल्लें. आय एम टायप ऑफ अ पर्सन हू स्पीक्स अ लिटल I will not speak only what is expected. I regret her death. We have lost a colleague who was committed as a legislator, who had her own strong convictions, and unfortunately the disease that got her that is the same disease that has taken many strong politicians from Goa. So this is a cause of concern for Goan politicians that they have to take care of this. I pray that her family gets all the strength to bear the loss, and that whatever good work that she did inspires them to do much more.